So the story on this one is, we got this one in today for a rodent inspection. The customer seen some shredded stuff throughout his car, and he knew it was something chewing away at it, so he brought it in to let us check it out.
This is my bag. Excuse me.
Yeah.
That way.
Yeah.
Here, man.
Oh yeah.
Move.
Okay. So they're nesting inside. Yeah. See what's under here. Yeah, that's a pretty big ship right there. It's a big one.
Very creepy.
Yeah, so they are chewing away the carpet here to make nests. So they're coming in from the, they're under the floorboard in this area, under the seats right here, huh, John? What do it look like in there? So we got everything ripped out, the seats out. We're about to take the carpet out and disinfect everything, clean the floorboards. Okay, so we're looking down into the wall, so if there's any nesting or any poop or anything in there, then we're gonna take these covers off. But everything else so far is clear. So we're disinfecting the floorboard and killing any germs that might have came from the poop that was down there. So, but we're doing the whole floorboard because you never know where they were, and to decontaminate everything is the key here.
Hey everyone, just here at Excellence Auto Beauty. Just got my car decontaminated. Had a bit of a rodent problem. Mike and the team did an excellent job. No pun intended, but seriously, it's a great job. Now worry-free on rodents and rats and hopefully, you know, they don't get back into my car, but if they do, I'm coming right back because the team is great. So if you're in need of any kind of service, rodent, rat, you know, decontamination, you should definitely come.
Excellency Auto Beauty.